Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch using AI. We'll cover selecting the right tools, preparing your initial input, and guiding the AI to produce your desired artistic vision. This guide will help you understand the process from start to finish, ensuring you can confidently create unique digital art. Get ready to unlock new creative possibilities with artificial intelligence. First, selecting the right AI tool is crucial for successful sketch generation. Many platforms offer unique features, so research options like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or DALL-E 3. Some excel at transforming existing sketches, while others generate from text prompts. Evaluate their user interface and available customization settings to find the best fit for your creative workflow and desired output. Once your tool is chosen, it's time to provide input. You can upload a simple line drawing or a rough sketch as a starting point. Alternatively, use descriptive text prompts to guide the AI. Be specific with details like a watercolor painting of a serene forest or a cyberpunk city at night. Adding negative prompts, such as no blurry lines, refines the output further. Finally, refine your AI-generated sketch. Most tools allow you to adjust parameters like creativity strength or style weight to fine-tune the output. Generate multiple variations and select the best one. Don't hesitate to modify your prompts and rerun the generation process until you achieve your vision. Once satisfied, export your high-resolution image, ready for sharing or further artistic development.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.